How are you, student?
Hi.
Now we start animals activity. Are you ready for activity?
Lion. Lioness. Tiger. Horse. Donkey. Deer. Zebra. Giraffe.
Lion, lioness,
Lioness. Tiger.
deer, horse,
Horse.
donkey, zebra,
Zebra.
giraffe. Very good.
Like and subscribe our YouTube channel Chatan Play Group.